guys, this is the first step of the strongest tornado that hit Ferbridge right now. Oh yeah, I'm recording this right now. Which I'm the first to this is called the Ferbridge Devil. So we'll see how bad it could get. Yeah. It's gonna be so close. If you want more videos like that, please like and subscribe. Like content like this. So let's go. Can it come already over here? I got it, inside already. I do that a lot. Sorry, I've been for a long time. Because in my channel, it's fine. I have to win. Actually, and yeah, basically that. Yeah, come on. I freaking hit. Well, just an injury, I guess. Not real, just Let's get out of here. See that? That's like that's El Reno, bro. That's El Reno, dude. You're in a video, just so you know. I'm recording, dude. I'm recording right now, and you're in a video. Yeah, dude, right now I'm just recording a video right now, and you're in. Oh shoot. Oh well. I guess we could probably get a little bit closer to it. To this Ferbridge Devil farm. Wall farm. And bomb. Really in it. Well, we can't barely tell deforming. Oh well. Lava footage. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.